What is up my friends? आज हम लोग बात करने वाले हैं एडजेक्टिव्स के बारे में. CBSE, ICSE बच्चों का जो कुंजी होता है वो होता है एडजेक्टिव. जहाँ पे कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा, गुड, मैग्निफिसेंट, ब्यूटीफुल, वंडरफुल करके काम चला लो. हमने ज़िंदगी भर गुड, मैग्निफिसेंट, वंडरफुल, अमेजिंग, ब्रेव, करेजियस बहुत काम चलाया हमने. एंड दिस हैपन्स नॉट ओनली थ्रू विद स्टूडेंट्स, ये तो टीचर्स भी करती हैं. असेंबली के अंदर जाके जो सबसे बड़े एडजेक्टिव्स होते हैं, बिकॉज यू टू पेंट द स्कूल इन लाइक दिस ग्रैंड लाइट, यूज द मोस्ट पावरफुल एडजेक्टिव्स. Esteemed institution, great, power, bestowing, like divine, sacred, all of that harmony. I have a book right here. It's called For Kids by Kids. Scholastic के writing awards हुए थे 2008 में. Remember that company Scholastic? And I participated. लाखों बच्चे हुए थे और मैंने I wrote a non-fiction story in Bhagat Singh because I couldn't write fiction for shit. Still can't. And all I use in this story is adjectives, just adjectives. Just adjective after adjective about Bhagat Singh. He was a courageous man, merciless, reputed, everlasting love, vigilant, patriot. And I'm not saying adjectives don't have a place in society. We do need them. We can't always rely on descriptions. But with all the things, why not have a bit fun? Now, I'm not saying use this in schools because I don't think your teachers will have the same sort of sense of humor. And if they do, that's great. But I'm just going to open up my Zoom right now. And we're going to look at a bunch of examples of how to have fun with language. I guess we can call it part 2 for that video. So, on our little war against adjectives for today, let's look at boring descriptions of things and how we can animate them. Let's see. He was very tall. Boring, tall boy. I would say something like, he looked like the great Khali's cousin. Now, the idea is that I don't know if great Khali's cousin is as tall as he is. Probably not. And this is like, a meme reference because I fucking love the great Khali. But the point is, at least this तरह की writing मेरे को पसंद है पढ़नी. Is like I would rather see your personality on paper and understand the descriptions and references that come from your world rather than generic adjectives. Like I said before, adjectives have a place, use them sparingly. I like the idea of using descriptions such as this because, oh my god, then your imagination is actually, यार tall क्या है? तुम एक generic, एक blank concept है tall का. But the great Khali's cousin, now that's fucking funny. That allows you to think, oh, okay. You start imagining. You learn things about the narrator of the story. चाहे वो writer हो या वो कोई कहानी सुना रहा हो. I use this all the time in my jokes with friends, and I'll use like these parallels between people and never exactly say कि वो ऐसा था. Instead, constantly use parallels. So there's like a constant play for the imagination at all times without being bored. What's another example? Okay. Let's see. My first kiss was really disappointing. He had really bad breath. Now, look, there is nothing wrong with this sentence, but there's clearly a way to make this fun, right? Isn't it? And I think we should make this fun for all the right reasons. So what we can do is, actually, let's just label it A and B to make it easier for people to understand कि progression कैसे हुआ है. So this is all A. This is also A. Okay. And then हम लोग आते हैं B पे. And so the B is, hold on. The B is my first kiss tasted more like aloo pyaz than Lindt. And Lindt एक chocolate होती है. तुम यहाँ पे 5 star कुछ भी यूज कर लो. और my first kiss tasted more like aloo pyaz. My first kiss tasted like aloo pyaz. More like aloo pyaz than like. My first kiss tasted more like aloo pyaz than like dark chocolate. So, I mean, these are like cool little tricks that you can do to have fun in your own stories and, when you write. Personally, I would like to see people actually bring examples from their own life, from the world that they live in, and insert them into their writing. Let's stop this pretense of trying to talk about beautiful birds and magnificent trees. It's boring. It's a CBSE cliche. Get done with it. And I'm not saying कि school के अंदर क्या होगा. Maybe in school you won't be rewarded like this unless, like I said before, your teacher has a sense of humor, which I hope she or he does. But what's another example of not relying on adjectives? Like, okay, one pointer. So technically मैंने यहाँ पर dark use करा है. I get that. I get dark is an adjective, right? But overall I've rather used a comparative statement as opposed to like a adjective written statement, if that makes sense, right? Let's see, yaar. There has to be a better way, because what else can we do? What is a great sentence to write? Floppy disks are extremely old technology. Okay, floppy disks belong to the Stone Age. Much better. That says something. That's like, okay, Stone Age पता है जब लोग सिर्फ पत्थरों से, I don't know Stone Age में क्या था, मतलब बाबा आदम का ज़माना जिसे हम बोलते हैं, quote unquote. Baba Adam is Adam. Crazy, I did not know that. But the idea is, so you see this, basically what you're doing is you're using descriptions instead of adjectives to add a bit more fun to your writing, to make it more alive, to insert your personality into it, and a bunch of other things. And that's it, man. See how you can convert your adjective written sentences to something more descriptive and fun. Have fun with this. Comments में डाल दो कोई डालना है तो. Otherwise, as usual, subscribe and see you tomorrow.